souls. It's Monday, and we are here to talk about our Mind, Body, Soul Monday series. And this week we're talking about self-love. And we're going to go into a bit of a self-love reframe and really talk about what self-love really looks like and why it's not actually selfish. It's so necessary and it benefits everybody around you. As you can see, I'm in the garden again, and you'll see a flurry of activity behind me. It's so great. I threw a bunch of peanuts on the pathway, so we'll likely see squirrels, probably some blue jays, cardinals, chickadees. I love it. It's a great way to start a week. So welcome to our Mind, Body, Soul Monday session. Today, like I said before, we're diving into self-love. And self-love, it's not just about candles, spa days, manicures, pedicures, all those types of wonderful things. We all enjoy them. But self-love, true self-love, actually goes so much deeper on such a deeper level. And sometimes it's really about making those hard choices that actually put you first with love and not with guilt. So let's talk a little bit about a self-love reframe. Lots of us, and I know me, I was definitely taught that, the big way you could show love was through sacrificing, doing for others, and just putting yourself last. And especially as women, we're taught that, we're supposed to give endlessly and not ask for very much in return, that choosing ourselves makes us selfish, that we should be focusing on the people around us and not so much ourselves. But I want to offer a different truth today, that self-love is not selfish. It's actually a very generous act that benefits everybody around you. It's about choosing the long game of your healing over the short-term gain of people-pleasing. And I've been guilty of that over the years for sure. Self-love is sometimes walking away, setting boundaries and saying, no more, I'm done. This is not good for me. This is not healthy. This is toxic, and I'm letting it go. I've had to do that many times, especially big time recently with a serious committed relationship. Oh, blue jay. And it's been a struggle the last several months, but I can tell you that putting myself first and my children first was one of the best things I ever did. And I'm here happier, healthier, more resilient, and stronger because I chose self-love. Self-love is also saying I matter. My peace matters. My body, my needs, my joy, it all matters. And it's waking up and choosing yourself over and over and over again, even and especially when life is messy and even when it's scary. So here are some real life examples of what true self-love actually looks like. True self-love is saying no to an invitation when your body needs to rest, leaving a relationship where you felt unseen or unsafe, turning off your phone to spend some quiet time with yourself. I know that's something all of us could practice more of. This is a big one. Choosing nourishing food and water over comfort food. Speaking kindly to yourself, especially after you've made a mistake. Asking for help and not trying to do everything yourself. Saying, I don't have the capacity for that right now. Not explaining yourself to people who are committed to misunderstanding you. And that's a really big one. We tend to spend a lot of energy defending ourselves and trying to explain ourselves to people who are never going to understand our perspective or respect us. And again, this is exactly something I had to deal with recently. And the way I chose self-love and chose myself was there was no contact, and if there was contact, it was minimal, and it was short and sweet with no emotion. And I can say I'm here better and stronger because of that self-love boundary. So these choices may not look like self-love to other people, but they're radical love letters to your nervous system, to your spirit, and your future self. Your future self is thanking you right now for choosing self-love. I'd like to offer a few journaling prompts for you today. So here are 3 journaling questions that you can jot down and reflect on, after you've spent time watching this video today. Where in my life have I mistaken sacrifice for love? Where in my life have I mistaken sacrifice for love? What would choosing myself look like this week? That's a good one. What would choosing myself look like this week? And what belief do I still carry that says I don't deserve my own love? That's a powerful one. What belief do I still carry that says I don't deserve my own love? And here's an affirmation I would love to share with you to really anchor in and help to solidify that inner self-love. I am allowed to take up space in my own life. My needs matter. My love starts with me. Let's say that one again. It's so powerful. I am allowed to take up space in my own life. My needs matter. My love starts with me. So good. I love sharing all of this information with you guys. It's so powerful. So this week, we're going to be continuing our connection with self-love through body on Wednesday and soul on Friday. So come back on Wednesday. I would love to have you here for a beautiful practice that's going to help you embody self-love in real time. And Friday, we'll journey into the soul side of loving who you are as you are. You don't have to earn your worth. You just have to remember it. And that remembering starts with self-love. Thank you so much for coming here today and joining me and choosing to show up for yourself. Just watching this video is a beautiful act of self-love. So thank you for showing up for yourself today. You are loved, you are worthy, you are enough. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you